factor tree of 172. So 172, it can be written as 2 times 86. 2 times 86 mean 172. 86, it can be written as 2 times 43. 2 times 43 mean 86. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 2 and 43. So we can write 172 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times 2 times this 43. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.